Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to refund an invoice in Xero. By the end, you'll know how to create and approve a credit note so your refund is recorded cleanly and your accounts stay accurate. Start on your Xero homepage for the correct organization. Take a second to confirm you're in the right entity because refunds affect your accounts receivable and revenue reports. From the main navigation, head to the sales menu at the top. This is where Xero keeps everything related to customers, including quotes, invoices, and credit notes. Next, open the Invoices section. Here you can see issued invoices, and it's the natural place to begin when you're reversing part or all of a sale. To record the refund, choose New Credit Note. A credit note is the official document that reduces what a customer owes or reverses income if you've already been paid and need to give money back. Creating it from here helps you keep a clear audit trail that ties back to the original invoice. Select the customer you're refunding. Make sure it's the same contact as on the original invoice so Xero can match things up behind the scenes. Now enter the details, use a clear description that references the original invoice number or the specific items being returned or discounted. Set the credit note date to the day you're recognizing the refund, and check the currency if you work with multiple currencies. In the line items, mirror the accounts, tracking categories, and tax rates used on the original invoice so your reporting stays consistent. For a partial refund, adjust the quantity or the amounts to reflect exactly what you're crediting. For a full refund, match the original lines. If relevant, add a brief note explaining the reason for the refund, like a return, overcharge, or price adjustment. This context is helpful for future reviews and for anyone else in your team. When everything looks correct, review the totals at the bottom, making sure tax calculations and the overall credit amount are accurate. When you're ready, look to the top of the page for the Approve option. Approving posts the credit note to accounts receivable so it can be applied to the original invoice or used to reduce the customer's balance depending on your workflow. Click Approve. That's it. The credit note is now saved and approved. Quick recap, go to Sales, open Invoices, create a new credit note, choose the correct customer, carefully enter matching details, and then approve. Keeping descriptions clear and accounts consistent ensures your refund is easy to trace and your books remain tidy.